Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new short video, this time Excel Challenge 715. It looks like I can elaborate on MAKEARRAY, so this is one of my most favorite functions, and without further ado we jump right into the challenge. Here we go. Make this beautiful. So start here, MAKEARRAY, 15 rows, 15 columns, but this is or should be dynamic then. Lambda AB, and if you see here, this is then the output. And now we first want to create this pattern of this stair down. You see here, if A is larger or equal than B, then we come to this pattern. And therefore, if A larger or equal than B, then A first, otherwise nothing. And here you see we have created this pattern, but now we need to have here something else. And what we need here is A minus A times A divided by 2, which hands out every time how many fields were before. So here 10 fields before, here 15 fields before. And now we add then B, which is the column. And here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So we come to this pattern because we want to have ascending numbers here in this pattern form. Now we mod this here over 26 because the alphabet has 26 letters. And now you see we have here sometimes a 0, which is bad. Because if you come to the mod number or the divisor, then there is a 0 and not the divisor number, but there's a short trick. If you subtract 1 and add later 1, you get there where the divisor is the number. But now we have another problem, because in the CHAR code, or in the Unicode or codes, this isn't 0, this is I need to code. This is 65. So we need to add here 64, and even though we have here +1, we make this +65. And now we use the CHAR here, the CHAR formula, to create here this pattern. And you see it's the pattern we were searching for. So kind of a fast solution. I first thought, oh, probably what I first normally do is creating here the numbers and then wrap a char and the mod and so on around this. But with this directly here in the value if true field, you save some stuff because you do not get an error. Because if it's not part of the structure, then it's nothing, and this is what we're searching for. So thank you for your attention. Hope to see you next time. Bye.